Guys, it's me again, Jared Gilbert of the Dapper Den, Ridgefield, Connecticut. Today is Just the Tip Tuesday.
It's Just the Tip Tuesday with Jared Gilbert at the Dapper Den Barbershop.
So today on Just the Tip Tuesday, I'm going to show you how to blend in your beard to the bald head. Today we have Matthew. Matthew is getting the Jared, which is the best haircut in the shop, because what it is a bald head mimicking moi, a nice faded in beard. What I do first typically is to line up the back edge of the beard here to take down the bulk. Then what I will do is I will lightly blend it with one or two clips, and then I will go back in with my liner and then lay it down with my pro foil. And then everything is finished with a clean, straight razor line, which will blend everything out nicely. So the main tip to help you blend this in and make life a little easier is to use your comb. Thank you, James. And you will angle that comb by coming in flat on the beard, on the bald area, and coming out a little bit more on an angle of the beard. That will take down the bulk first. And then you can actually pull this back and take down the bulk on the back end of the beard, and then you could do your blend out. That way you have a tighter area to work with where it's not crazy hair and you can't find the angle that you need. So using the comb is going to be a little bit better of a fade because it's going to follow the curvature of his head, and it's going to be a better fade where it's not just going to be you pushing against the curvature of his head. This is going to be a little more level, okay? And that's going to help you blend out. Thank you very much today to Matt for having such a beautiful face.
Thank you.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow us on Instagram. We'll see you next week. Thank you.